So here we have another fiddle from the Liam O'Connor range. This one has a nice sunburst kind of colouring, lighter on the ends of the body and a bit dark in the middle, gives you a nice sense of age. The label in here says 1909 and it has the name Leandro Bisiach. I don't know if I'm saying that properly, but Bisiach. And we'll give it a play. So a nice sweet ring to the sound, maybe not as loud, but that's nice as well because you do get the rich sweet tone with it, and it'd be lovely for all styles of music. Yeah, so the sound carries through, and it would be a fun one to experiment with different types of strings to kind of find the sound you want. If you want a bit louder, stronger sound, or if you want more of a kind of sweet, soft tone with it. And we can have a look at the sides and the back, the ribbing here, and a bit of the dark coloring, and then again a sort of sunburst look, the double panel on the back. And dark coloring here. So again, a nice, a different sort of old look to it. And yeah, a good volume up in the positions, and again very comfortable to play.